So I've just created the second table called sponsorship, where I'm going to record the sponsor and the amount they're going to pay me per page and calculate for them what the total payment will be due. With the payment per page, we want to have this, we're talking about money, so we need to format this so that it will identify currency. So if I highlight down through the cell, up the top here in the middle, we have a $sign. If I click on that, we can actually select the type of money that we are using. So we're in Australia, we're going to go English Australia. And let's say Mum's going to pay me 10 cents a page. If I put in 0.1, it'll automatically turn it into 10 cents. Now I'm going to give Dad's going to pay me 5 cents. I then want to calculate the total amount due. So per page, Mum's going to pay me 10 cents. I've got to use a formula here to calculate how much. Okay, so click on the cell where we want the formula to go. Place an equal sign, which tells it it's a formula. We click on, we're going to multiply here, so it's going to be payment per page times the total number. So we click on payment per page. In Excel, multiplication is a star. And here we have to actually do something a little bit tricky, because we don't want it to change the amount as we scroll down. We want it to keep a specific absolute value. So to do that, we use a $sign. Go and have a look at the cell we want, which is number 20, G20. So I'm going to say dollars, G, $20. Enter. So now you can see it's taken 111 pages and multiplied it by 10 cents per page. I want this to automatically happen all the way down the table. So to do that, I'm going to drag the formula down, grab the edge, and bring it all the way down to the bottom. And you'll see that automatically it is calculated Dad's. One of the problems that some people come across when we're doing this drop and dragging of a formula is if they don't use the absolute value. So let's undo all of this and show you what happens if that is done. So if I just go in here and put equals, and I take Mum's, place a multiplication, and then go down to my total, you see it's got G20, and enter. It calculates Mum's okay, but if I drag the formula down to the other cells, Dad's is incorrect. And what it's actually done, if you notice right up here in the formula bar, it's changed from J4 by G20 to J4 by G21. We're going to have a look at G21. We're actually using the value here. So let's undo that and use an absolute value. So equals, multiply. Remember, to absolute value we use $sign in front of both the column and the row.